Think you know hatchbacks? Think again. Because the 2027 Volkswagen Golf might just be the most complete car ever built in its class, blending everyday practicality with performance that can genuinely thrill. This is not just a car, it's a legacy on wheels, and today, we're diving deep into every angle of what makes the 2027 Golf so special. The Volkswagen Golf has always been more than just a small car. Since its debut in 1974, it has evolved into one of the most iconic compact vehicles in automotive history, consistently setting benchmarks for design, practicality, and driving experience. And in 2027, that legacy continues stronger than ever. What you're looking at here is essentially the refined version of the 8th generation Golf, often referred to as the MK 8.5. which brings updated styling, smarter technology, and improved performance while staying true to its roots. From the very first glance, the 2027 Golf carries a familiar yet sharper design language. It hasn't lost that classic hatchback silhouette, the short overhangs, the upright stance, and that instantly recognizable C-pillar, but everything now feels more modern and aggressive. The front fascia features slimmer LED headlights, often paired with Volkswagen's IQ Light Matrix system, giving it a futuristic and premium look. The grille is cleaner, more aerodynamic, and in performance variants like the GTI, you get signature red accents that stretch into the headlights, creating a bold visual identity. The lower bumper is more sculpted, with larger air intakes that not only improve cooling, but also enhance the sporty appearance. Move to the side and you'll notice how well proportioned the Golf remains. It's compact enough to be city-friendly, yet it has enough presence to feel substantial on the road. The clean character lines, stylish alloy wheels, and subtle curves give it a timeless appeal rather than something overly flashy. At the rear, the LED taillights are sharper and more dynamic, often featuring animated indicators, while the overall shape remains functional and aerodynamic. Step inside, and this is where the Golf truly steps into the future. The 2027 model continues Volkswagen's digital-first approach. The traditional analog gauges are gone, replaced by a fully digital cockpit that displays everything from speed and navigation to driver assistance data. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen, typically around 12.9 inches, running Volkswagen's latest infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates, making it feel more like a smart device than a traditional car system. The interior design is minimalistic but smart. There are fewer physical buttons, replaced by touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback surfaces. While some drivers might miss the old-school knobs, Volkswagen has improved usability with more intuitive layouts and better response times. The materials are a mix of soft-touch plastics, premium trims, and in higher variants, leather upholstery and ambient lighting that can completely change the mood of the cabin. Comfort-wise, the Golf punches above its weight. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, perfect for long drives, while the rear seats offer surprising space for passengers. It's technically a 5-seater, though 4 adults will be most comfortable. The hatchback design really shines when it comes to practicality, offering a generous cargo space that expands significantly when the rear seats are folded. This makes it perfect for everything from grocery runs to weekend trips. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Golf has always stood out. The standard versions focus on efficiency and smooth driving, but the real excitement begins with performance trims like the Volkswagen Golf GTI. The 2027 Golf GTI continues to use a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, producing around 241 horsepower in standard form, although some updated versions push that even higher with improved tuning. Power is sent to the front wheels through a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering a responsive and engaging driving experience. Acceleration is quick, with 0 to 60 mph happening in just over 5 seconds in some configurations. And what really sets the Golf apart is how it handles. The chassis is incredibly balanced, offering precise steering and excellent grip, making it one of the most fun cars to drive in its segment. Advanced systems like the electronically controlled limited slip differential help distribute power efficiently, especially when cornering hard, giving you confidence even on twisty roads. For those who want even more performance, the lineup includes the Volkswagen Golf R, which adds all-wheel drive and significantly more power. But even in its standard form, The Golf strikes a perfect balance between everyday usability and driving excitement. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. Despite its performance capabilities, the Golf remains relatively economical, delivering solid mileage figures both in city and highway driving. This makes it a practical choice for daily commuting without sacrificing fun. Technology and safety are also major highlights of the 2027 Golf. It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. Volkswagen's IQ drive system adds advanced capabilities like semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions, making long highway journeys more relaxed. One of the unique selling points of the Golf is its versatility. It's a car that can adapt to different lifestyles. Need a comfortable daily driver? It does that effortlessly. Want something fun for weekend drives? It delivers. Looking for a practical family car? The hatchback design has you covered. This all-round capability is what has kept the Golf relevant for decades. Another aspect worth mentioning is build quality. Volkswagen has always been known for solid engineering, and the Golf reflects that. The doors feel sturdy, the cabin is well put together, and everything operates with a sense of precision. It may not be the most luxurious car in its class, but it definitely feels premium where it matters. Of course, no car is perfect. Some users may find the heavy reliance on touchscreen controls slightly distracting, and while the interior quality is good, certain materials may not feel as premium as expected in higher trims. Also, the absence of a manual transmission in some markets might disappoint driving enthusiasts who prefer a more traditional experience. Looking at the bigger picture, the 2027 Golf represents a bridge between the past and the future. While it continues with internal combustion and hybrid options, Volkswagen is also preparing for an electric future with upcoming Golf-based EV concepts. This makes the current Golf lineup even more special, as it represents the refined evolution of a legendary formula. In terms of pricing and positioning, the Golf sits comfortably in the premium compact segment. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it justifies its price with a combination of performance, technology, and practicality that few competitors can match. So, who is this car really for? Honestly, almost everyone. If you're a young driver looking for something stylish and fun, the Golf fits perfectly. If you're a small family needing a practical daily car, it works just as well. And if you're an enthusiast who enjoys driving, especially in GTI or R form, it can genuinely put a smile on your face every time you hit the road. At the end of the day, the 2027 Volkswagen Golf isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, it's refining it. It takes everything that made the Golf great over the years and enhances it with modern technology, improved performance, and a more premium feel. It's a car that doesn't shout for attention but earns respect through its capability and consistency. And that's the real magic of the Golf. It's not just good at one thing, it's good at everything.